Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off Store My Activity History on this device in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. How to turn off Store My Activity History on this device. Click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security, and now scroll down. Under Windows Permissions, you will find Activity History. Click on Activity History, and look, Store My Activity History on this device is turned on, and it by default turned on. Now click here to turn it off. Store My Activity History on this device is turned off. Now, no activity history will be stored on your device. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.